Hello again, viewers. Welcome back to our channel, and welcome to the new viewers. Today, I would like to talk about this awesome little item. It's the neewer motorized camera dolly. This is a terrific little device if you are doing short movies and you need some B-roll, or if you're doing product photography, anything along that lines. It's very well constructed. It's all seems to be out of cast aluminum with just a plastic cover, but I mean it's heavy and solid. Um, Very well constructed. It comes with a little quarter 20 mount for your camera, or you can also put one of these on it. Almost everybody has one of these in their kit. Just screws on there like so. We can screw that on to the quarter 20 thread. Set that there. And I know many of us use one of these quite often to do our videos with. So we can mount our cell phone into there like so. And then you can adjust the wheels. You can turn them in like that if you want to do like a circular footage, or you can put them straight that way if you want to do like slider type footage. Another nice thing you can do with this one is if you orient it in that direction, turn your camera that way, you can do zoom in and out shots without having to have a whole track system. So, and these are very reasonably priced on eBay and Amazon. Just it's like search neewer motorized dolly, camera dolly, and you'll find one of these. I think I paid for mine was about $75 Canadian, maybe 50 bucks US. It varies, but I think it's a really good value. Very well constructed. It has 3 speeds, forward and reverse. And it also comes with this little remote control here so that you can, you've got play, pause, you've got forward and reverse, and there's your 3-speed button there. And it does really good footage, and in just a couple of moments here we'll demonstrate that for you. So if we take this one off, I was also able to take the cell phone mount off. The beautiful thing about this is it is very well constructed, and this is a heavy camera. I mean, this is an older Nikon D3100. I've got the dual battery mount on the bottom. I mean, this thing weighs a couple pounds easily, and screw that onto the bottom of there. Oh, I'm being a bit awkward here now, but let's see if we can get her started. There we go. Okay, we've got that started now. Okay, there we go. So we've got that on there, and then you can just use the little thumb screw to snug her down. The one thing that I would recommend purchasing that this doesn't ship with is the little quarter 20 mount here. I would recommend getting a ball head, so that way you can adjust your camera angle, and you know, they're $10 online. So you might want to think about picking one of those up. So all right, with no further ado, let's go to some of the footage that we've done with this thing in action. Okay, and now we will shoot some custom B-roll with our neewer motorized dolly, and we use our little remote control here that ships with the package, which allows you to put start and pause the dolly. It has a reverse direction button, and it also has a button that changes the speed. It has 3 different speeds. So here we go, and we can reverse the speed there. Now we're getting beautiful, smooth B-roll. And we can reverse the direction. And we can also change the speed to really slow if we like to. Here's the medium speed. And we reverse the direction. We're in ultra slow speed at the moment here. Oh, and our camera just shut off on that cell phone, but that's okay. We're not using that footage. This is just for demonstration purposes. And we can speed it back up again. And reverse the direction. So as you can see, this is a very useful tool. If you're doing any product videos or just want some good B-roll. So yeah, I highly recommend it. And we'll switch to a different camera now. And I'm going to put the heavy Nikon DSLR on the dolly, and we'll demonstrate it with that. I'll be right back in a moment. Okay, and now we've got the heavy Nikon DSLR with the extended battery grip on the camera, so it's quite heavy, and this little motorized dolly seems to have no problem operating with that. So let's give this a shot and see what happens. And there we go. Now we're doing B-roll with a heavy DSLR, and it's holding the weight no problem. One of the beautiful advantages I see of this is you could take this, put it in your pocket or your camera bag, and use it when you're out on the go. You could put it on, say, a wide railing or on a table, or as you can see in this case, I've got it on the floor. So yeah, I think this is a terrific little product, and you're coming in at well under $100. I've seen them as cheap as about $50 or $60 on Amazon when they go on sale. So what I would strongly recommend is you go out and get yourself one of these if you're on a tight budget and you need some smooth dolly footage. It's a heck of a lot less expensive than having to pay, you know, $400 or $500 for one of the motorized dolly systems that are on rails. So yeah, so we're doing very good. And also you can do zoom in and zoom out shots just by turning your camera in a different direction. And let's pause it, and I will show you one other thing about this, is that the wheels on the bottom of it, I haven't got that on there very tight. The wheels on the bottom of it can be, let's get my finger out of the shot there. You can turn those wheels, as you can see there. I've turned that. So you can go straight side to side, or you can do it in a circular motion. So yeah, I think this is a really good little product. Okay, back in the studio in just a moment. Dolly. I think it's a great value for the money. I think it should be in every videographer's camera bag. So I hope that this has been helpful to you. And oh, one other thing I'd like to say to you is that this thing is rechargeable. It comes with a USB cable, and it just plugs right into the side, so it does have a rechargeable battery in it. Great little device, very well constructed, again by neewer. I'm not sponsored by neewer, but I love all of their products, and I could continue to buy them on a regular basis. So check out our other videos here, maybe up there somewhere, and we'll see you back next time. Thanks for watching.